In the heart of the wilderness, survival often hinges on knowing where to find natural remedies. For example, did you know that the common yarrow plant can be a lifesaver? When applied to wounds, it can help staunch bleeding and prevent infection. Another powerful ally is the vibrant dandelion. Its leaves are not just edible, but packed with nutrients, while the roots can be brewed into a restorative tea. Learning to identify these plants can mean the difference between thriving and merely surviving. The key lies in observation and experience, and dedicating time to study your local flora can truly empower any forager. After all, nature offers us so much more than just sustenance. It provides healing too.